Dito ka kaya?
Source ko, 2012 was the year of the dragon. Kaya siguro ang dami nag-aaway-aaway at nagbubugahan ng apoy last time.
Tama yan, Kim. Inausap pinag-usapan ng mga salita. Plagiarism, abortion, two-timer, at marami pang iba, di ba?
Yes, ang kailangan tapos ang sagutan at kailangan sa social media gaya ng YouTube, Twitter, at Instagram. At
the end 2013, year of the snake naman. So expect the unexpected, tama ba, Kim? I'm sure we're all in for a lot of showbiz surprises.
Alam mo, Papi, pero kahit na ano pa mang zodiac sign mo, kaya napag-uusapan ko talaga kapag naiuwi mo ang special award na i-represent natin ngayon.
Tama yan, Kim. To present, here are Sunshine Cruise, escorted by Joey Hopper.
We are presenting two special awards to celebrities who have been registered in high school because of their great achievement in the community nowadays. To receive a bouquet, 25,000 pesos.